Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show really quickly how I trim my hair. As you can see, my ends look really brittle and it's been kind of getting difficult to comb through it sometimes. So I figured it was time for a trim. I'm tired of these split ends, so let's just get right into it. I'm just combing out my hair to make it a little bit easier, and I'm gonna just start from the back. Now, as you can see, I actually should be cutting right there where it starts thinning out, but I'm gonna cut a little bit off the ends, and every maybe 3 to 4 months I'll go in and trim it up again. But that's how I'm gonna do my whole head. I'm just gonna take sections by sections and just trimming a little bit off the ends where I see it starts getting like tangly or dry. I'll just snip those off and do that all throughout my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let you watch, and if you have any questions or suggestions, definitely leave them in the comment section below.